In this video, we would like to demonstrate how easily you can change existing configuration files in MatchPoint. In a collaboration scenario, we often have hundreds of SharePoint sites with several web parts. If the business requires to make a change in one of these web parts, you normally would have to iterate over all the webs to implement the change. With MatchPoint, this can be done very easily. In our example, we have a collaboration scenario with project workspaces. Every workspace has the same structure and was created using the MatchPoint Site Creator and the MatchPoint Provisioning template. Here you can see two of these project workspaces. On the first project site, you see a site property editor that is used to configure the project-specific metadata. The site property editor on the second project workspace uses the same configuration file. Now, if we would like to rename the metadata property finish date to end date and add a new Boolean property called approved, we just have to implement this change in one configuration file. We can do this either from the central MatchPoint instance administration site, or we can change the configuration directly on the web part within one of the project workspaces. This is what we are going to do now. We choose Edit on the web part and open the configuration editor. We rename the column Finish Date to End Date. Then we add a new Boolean field Approved. Once we save the configuration, the changes are effective immediately. Now, if we switch to the other project workspace, you can see that the change has been applied here as well. The MatchPoint configuration framework offers you some advantages over the standard SharePoint configuration mechanism. For one, changes in a configuration file are immediately applied to all web parts. Further, you can easily revert to older versions. This can reduce the need for reprovisioning in a lot of scenarios.